Hi everybody, I'm Mishaya from Man&camera. Today I want to teach you people how to make thumbnails for YouTube for free. It's a website called Canva. I use it to make my thumbnails and all stuff I do in the internet. So we'll pick the YouTube thumbnail. Here you have different templates. I'll pick this one. Oh, let's see, we'll pick the one with a dog. And whatever you should do is like use your own photos. Not they have photos, but you could also use your own photos. Like let's say I upload the monkey. See? Now what we'll do is we'll take the monkey. Okay. You click the right button, replace background. You could put whatever you want to write. How to train your puppy, let's say, or come and see my monkey or something like that. It's giving you ideas. I'm not going to really work on it, but after it I'll show you the ones I made. That's the text. What you could do is you write YouTube. Let's go back to it. You can make it the size you want. You put it wherever you want. Let's say put it here. You could also write subscribe to my channel, or it's obviously what you want in the thumbnail is to give information about what's the video about. So let's say my video is about the lemurs, so right here, come watch lemurs in a zoo or something like that. Let's say we're finished. We're finished with a photo. I didn't set it up exactly the way I wanted, but I just want to give you an idea. As you see here, you of course have photos from Pro. You have to pay money for photos. You have also their photos for free. Different photos you could see. It says free, so you could use it. I could add more photos or something like that. Put my, you can see you can do what you want. You play anything you want. This thing here called look what happens. You can make it darker or lighter or play with it. You see, there's a lot of stuff you can do here. You can play with it. What's good about this website is for free. Let's say we're finished. I'll download it and use it in my videos. Okay, you see it got downloaded. I'll put a link below the video that you could subscribe to this channel. It's free. No, subscribe to this website, sign up to the website, and start working with the websites. Let's go. See all of my designs I made. I'll give you some ideas. of stuff I do on my website in my YouTube channel. You can see how much money I made and this kind of stuff. You see, make it look interesting to make people come into your to see your video. You see, so I hope I was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below the video, and if you have any, you can ask me to show you how to do stuff on about selling photos or making money from photography or marketing your photography. So we'll see you in the next videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.